on down here to our level, way down here and meet the devil. Start to fling and start to revel, come and change your tune. No more scheming or conniving, start to jump and start to jiving. Now you're gonna be reviving, doing the Hades lowdown.
When you're a freak in the sideshow, you seldom think about love. All that you get is attention. It's what children live in fear of. Life is short, life is sweet. No time for sorrow, no time for defeat. It's a game, so don't come unglued. Besides, there is someone who's worse off than you.
Eat me, eat me, eat me. In your mouth my journey starts. Down on your tongue I'm pleasing. Can you take me to your heart? Come eat me, eat me, eat me. Start on the outside first, then penetrate me deeply until you are submersed.
When petals fall in petaluma, I'll be coming back to you.
A crab on Uranus, though some folks think it's heinous and just something to get rid of. A negative stigma, an irritating enigma, but a crab on Uranus means you're loved.
No more scheming or conniving, start to jump and start to jiving. Now you're gonna be reviving, doing the Hades lowdown.
Stomp your feet and sway your hiney, make your cheeks all nice and shiny. Move it like you have no spine, doing the Hades lowdown. Start to jump and start to jiving. Now you're gonna be reviving, doing the Hades lowdown.